Hey guys, good evening. I wanted to do a review on a battery charger for GoPro. The company's name is, if I'm pronouncing it right, Telesin. Okay. Now, this was $36.98. Okay. And it came with 3 batteries, cases for the batteries, cable, and it is Type C, just so you'll know, USB Type C. Okay, so the unit charges USB Type C. They give you a cable. Okay, you do not get brick, so you have to plug this into your own brick. They also give you lens protector film. Okay, so you do get that. Now this is not glass or tempered glass. It's just a screen protector. All right, so this would actually go on the lens, and it would also go on the back screen as well. Okay. So what's nice about this charger is it fits 3 batteries. All right, you can put 3 batteries in. It will actually tell you if you're charging in the front. It'll start off in red and turn to green. Okay, nice case. Actually closes really nice. Okay, and so if I plug this in, you'll see it light up in the back to tell you that you have power right there. And then as you put your batteries in, depending on the charge you have on the batteries, so let me put these in. So 1 battery, that's charged already. Second battery, which, by the way, let me do a close-up of the batteries. So I want you to see, this is the Telesin brand, and they really match the colors of the battery, which, here's the GoPro, all right, side by side. So if you look at it, it's the same battery. Okay. Obviously, 1 GoPro battery goes for $20. Here you're getting 3 for $36.98. Same size. Now, the nice part, I'll tell you about a bonus at the end, okay? I'm going to tell you about a bonus at the end. So, now, as you can see here, I'm going to go ahead and put in the rest of the batteries. And just 1, 2. All right. And 3. All right, and you don't have to close it, but I close it and leave it charge, which is really nice. So it's a good size. It's really not big. All right. So again, you get a lens cover. Now this lens cover that they include does not cover the Hero 8. I don't know if it covers the 7 or the 5 or the 6. Because this battery setup is compatible with the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8. So keep that in mind. If you have a GoPro Hero 5, 6, 7, or 8, you can use this setup. All right. Again, it's on Amazon. Telesin. All right. 3 batteries. Again, they're giving you a lens cover. It does not work for the 8. All right. So this would probably work for the 7, the 6, or the 5, and I'm not 100% sure on that because they just give it to you. They should almost give you one that works for the 8, to be honest with you. I really wanted something. So, yep, you do get the battery cases as well, which is nice, and works really well. Charges the battery pretty quickly, which is one thing I like. And here's the bonus, okay? This actually will charge GoPro batteries. So it's not, this charger will not just work for their generic chargers, for their generic batteries. It'll work for GoPro as well. All right. So I just put the GoPro in the corner over here. And yeah, so isn't that cool? So you get 3 batteries for $36.98. You get the 3 cases for the batteries, which is kind of cool to have because you never know when a battery is going to leak or go bad. So hopefully these cases help. You get your USB Type-C cable. You get a, just a lens protector film. Okay. All right. You get one set. Okay. Bubble-free, dust-free. And you get the charger, which honestly, for that price, and you know what I like too is if I buy something from Amazon, I can actually try it out. They do free returns. I try not to return stuff, but if I have to, I will. And they give you about a month. I have Amazon Prime, so I'm not sure if everybody gets that. I think you have to be a Prime member to get that type of benefit. All right, so that's really it. I just wanted to give you a good close-up of the charger. Seems to be made well. I mean, I like the quality. The GoPro charger, to my knowledge, comes with, I don't know if it comes with 1 or 2 batteries and the charging case, but it goes for $50. Okay, and I believe it comes with 1. I could be wrong about that. But this one coming with 3 batteries is really cool. So, guys, that's about it. Look, when you get a moment, give us a thumbs up. We appreciate that. If you have any questions, go ahead and notate your questions, and we will get back to you. I love interacting with the folks on the channel. You will soon see Tech Made Easy in the upper right-hand corner here. If you click that, you can subscribe to the channel. Click that. It'll take you to the channel, and then you hit subscribe. Hit the bell on the right, and you'll get notified of new videos. I'm also going to put my tech playlist on here, so you can see the different things that I have as far as tech's concerned. All right, thank you so much. Have a wonderful night. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.